Hey y'all, good morning. And listen, I know it's been a long time. I'm never gonna hold you. Life's been boring. Life's been boring for me a little bit lately. Like, my car fucking broke down, so I've been stuck in the house. And all I've been doing is just going to work. Like, life's been boring, and I'm not about to give you no vlog where I'm doing nothing. It was my sister's birthday this week, but I worked that day. And today's Friday, and it's my day off. So I wanted to go to the beach. It's officially fucking hot as balls outside. So I'm thinking this is the perfect time. I need to get some studying done. I want to read the Bridgerton book that I bought fucking last month that I haven't read yet. And honestly, I just want to get out the house. So that's what we're gonna do today. Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 5:54.
I was supposed to be up at 6, but I've been up for the past like 15 minutes. I just woke up naturally, like no alarm. So I need to pack my little, actually it's not little, my big little tote, my little beach tote. Take a shower, do my makeup, get dressed, all that shit. So let's go. Alright, I'm gonna take a shower and then we're gonna get dressed. Truly, I'm not even worried about what I need to wear. Like, I just want to be comfortable. It's gonna be hot. And even though I'm going to the beach, I'm not getting in the water. You know, so I might do, I don't know. Don't know. Bruh, I desperately need to clean my bedroom, and I kind of want to do it before I leave, but it's already almost 7 o'clock, and it's a Friday in my little state, and in the state I live in, like, there's only so much to do here. Go to the mall, go to the movies, go eat, go to the beach. So we have to get a move on. So I guess as soon as I come home, we're gonna clean my bedroom. I do want to do some makeup, you know, a light beat. My hair is already done from yesterday. I've been so lazy with my hair. I've been lazy, and I also haven't had the time to like really do what it is that I want to do, because I wanted to do fucking goddess braids, but I've been working back to back. Like last week I worked 6 days in a row, and this week I have 2 days off, but they're not together, so they're separate. Like I have Monday and I have today, but I don't have enough time to do that for myself. Also, I broke my little handheld mirror, so now I have to use the big mirror to, you know, to see, or I can use my phone, but like, try to get out. I just recently bought this Halo Glow liquid filter. I made a review that is gonna be on my Instagram. I don't know, I fuck with it. I feel like, I don't know, I'm not a big foundation girl, so this little light stuff, it's just that I use the most. Like I used to wear the Morphe 2 skin tints, But then I don't know, like it made, I don't know, I didn't like how it like felt on my face. Like how my skin looked, I don't know. And then it was also like expired too, eventually. So I just gave up, I just threw it away. And it is like really nice and glowy at the start, but then after I put setting powder, it really just looks like a regular skin tint. What time is it?
It's 6:39.
Yeah. Okay.
It's just a question.
I'm gonna be in the cafe for the lunch. So for Gabby, she's gonna get bored when she has her iPad.
Oh, that's what I was gonna, because she got all this new stuff and like the beach stuff for the kids. I didn't want her to just be around with me. Because I gotta take her to Plymouth and I gotta take her to Boca all day.
She can come with that iPad fully charged. Cause she's dead gonna be bored. Cause of the first part of me, I don't want to be when the sun is out in the beach and then afterwards. So if that iPad starts, if she has something to do, a book or something. Anyway. I was thinking about it this morning. I was like, damn.
I didn't register yet. I thought you were going to go, and I didn't realize that you were going to go with Laura.
Yeah.
And I have, like for the first time, I'm not gonna be home. You leaving earlier?
I'm about to leave. Well, no, I'm gonna pack lunch for him right now.
Look, I got
Simple. Simple and clean. Alright, now I gotta get my niece ready because she's coming with me now. So let me get my bag packed. I'm just bringing my laptop, the iPad, this tripod, this light, all the chargers, a big beach towel. Yeah, and then we'll pack the lunch and stuff when I go to the kitchen. Alright, we just stopped at the Wawa for gas, and also we just got some snacks. We're about to head to Dunkin' because I'm hungry and I need coffee. And then we're gonna be on the way. Oh no, I need to go to the bank. I need to go to the bank, get some cash out. I have enough toll money. Thank you, tips. But I just want to make sure I have enough for the umbrella because I can't remember how much it was. It's my breath. I lost my breath.
Can I get beach?
No, it's a mobile order for Kenya. Thank you, you too. Ooh. This is yours, Liana. Do not spill it in my car. Be very careful because it's hot. Gabby, don't say I know, just say okay. Should do can use to have these back on. Oh well, to the bank we go. To the bank we go. Let's get my money. I already got a tan from going to the fucking bathroom. It's 2 different fucking colors. This shit is horrible. Have a cut on my hand or something, 'cause that burns. about to go check on Gabby. We got 3 hours left.
Oh yay! Oh yay! Hi, bird. Hi.
You look like you're belong to Exorcist. Well, your hand is fucking.
Bye.
You really laid on my towel. So you say you didn't want this watermelon, right? Do you want the watermelon?
Could have gotten cantaloupe.
I was at the register and there's already people coming behind me. You didn't want to come. If you were inside, I probably would have got you something. But you weren't inside.
What is it?
Look at the difference between my neck and my chest. Wow. I have to go to the pool to even this out. So now I'm gonna put my arm like this. Look at that. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. That's actually sick. Look. You can see it on camera better. Look.
No.
Yes. Look. Lights.
I have to go closer to
Look at you need your damn glasses.
I still can't fucking see.
Oh my God. That's okay.
Oh.
Yeah.
That was light, that was dark.
Yeah. That shit is crazy. I'm about to be your natural tone by the time we get out of here. And you about to be
Charcoal?
that just made my sneeze go away. Because it was so charcoal. Charcoal's actually sick. I should have brought more
People
snacks.
aren't that color. Charcoal. No hate to that, but
If I liked Wawa sandwiches, I would have got one. But I kind of we got his peanut butter sandwiches. But if I eat now, I can't eat later.
how many hours we got left? What's you still gonna do your work?
What are the other Dunkin' Donuts? Where's my watch?
Probably sick of the sand.
There's sand in the gear and the turn.
Oh no, nothing made sand.
Yo, shut.
How much hours we got?
I'm trying to check.
Check here. It's 11:40.
I mean, I have a timer going. I have a timer on my phone going. This iPad's on 39%. No. It could be us. But back to what I was saying. Oh yeah, that's what you're playing.
In the bottom. In the fucking bottom.
You're the reason why. Get in the bottom, spin the fucking bottom.
Look at my feet. Look at my feet.
Okay, we're back home. I showered. There was like, I don't know, something was wrong with my sink, so we had to call the maintenance man again to come in here. But yeah, we really skedaddled. It's about, should be just about 4 or something. 5. I meant to say 5:01. 5:01. I need to take the rest of my makeup off. I do need to tidy up my bedroom. It's almost done because I started before. I need to wash my bed sheets, put my clothes away. I have to do my niece's hair. I was thinking about that because when I saw her head, it was all this sand in it. I'm like, damn. So by the time I finished that, like, it's really fucked up movie. So it's given at-home movie night, pop some popcorn. We just bust out her hair, and after I do my schoolwork. So that's the plan. I'm just gonna tidy up here, be productive.